1, 2, 3.
It's a couple days after Thanksgiving, but happy Thanksgiving nonetheless. I am thankful for my beautiful friends and family, and mostly for the fact that I can fit 4 snow tires in the back of this M3. Not gracefully, but they fit. They need to go on my M3 ASAP because in technical terms, it is now cold as a motherfucker. These PS4Ss are basically hockey pucks when it gets below 30 or really 40, but you know, I'm pushing the boundaries. So let's head over to Ren Scott because my boy David is the best and has a heated garage and a lift for me to do this real easy. Now we're back at Ren Scott to put the winter tires on the Tedward Wintermobile, my e92 M3. I've got all my style. What are these, 218s or 219s? 219s, right? Boom.
They're too small.
Boom. They are too small. They're 18s, but I forget what they're called. Anyway.
They're the 219s. Yeah,
so we actually just went and shot the entire install video for Austin's Valvetronic exhaust thing.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Repress, restricted access. I'm
Get down from there, guys. Pressures are dialed in, we're ready for snow. And of course, now the next day that I'm doing this, the temperatures have gone way up. So if you want good weather, put snow tires on. I think that's the secret. I hope you're doing a bunch of dumb shit with your friends this winter. Even though the wheel gap with these 18s is kind of atrocious, especially in the front, oh my God. I think the winter setup actually looks better with these gunmetal style 219s. It's pretty dope. So while the M5 and the Porsche are gonna go away for the winter, this one's staying out. And just in case you haven't seen it, the Lamborghini drifting in the snow in Boston. Thanks again to like everybody, including Car Lifestyle, Cars Without Limits, Cars 24/7. I think Drive Tribe even picked it up. Like, it's insane how far that video went on Instagram. Kind of a bummer that it didn't exactly drive a heck of a lot of traffic to my YouTube channel, but still nice to get the bump on the Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive and go ahead and check out the Patreon link. If you subscribe to $3 a month, I'll send you some stickers. So, fair trade? I think so. See you in the next one.